Okay, we have to continue the trigonometry. First of all, we have to recall that whatever we learned yesterday. Trigonometry. Yes, introduction to trigonometry. Once we have to recall in 5 minutes. I told you that clearly we have to go for a right angled triangle. Name this triangle as ABC, 90 degrees, and one of the acute angle should be marked, say that is theta. The side opposite to 90 degrees is what? Hypotenuse. The side opposite to theta is what? Opposite side. And the remaining is nothing but adjacent side. With respect to that, we have to write the T ratio. First one, sin theta. I told you that. Sin, O, right? Therefore, that is nothing but O by H. That means opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. With respect to this figure, opposite side is BC and the hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, that is what? BC by AC. Next, the reciprocal of that is nothing but what? Cosec. Therefore, it will become the reciprocal of that. H by O. Here I went that OO. Here we have to go for O. Here OH, HO. That means it is what? Hypotenuse by opposite side of theta. Then the next one is what? Cos theta. Cos theta is what? Aha. A by H I told. It is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. The reciprocal of this is nothing but what? Sec theta. Sec theta is equal to, that is, it is aha, it will become ha. HA. That means it is hypotenuse by adjacent. Got it? Next one is what? Tan theta is equal to, it is what? OI. OI is nothing but what? Opposite by adjacent. OA. OI. Therefore, the reciprocal of this is what? Cos theta. That's equal to adjacent by opposite. That's why I told you that yesterday. It is better to remember Soha, Kaha, and Toa. Yes, for sin, opposite by hypotenuse; for cos, adjacent by hypotenuse; for tan, opposite by adjacent. Cosec, sec, cos. Cosec is the reciprocal of sin, sec is the reciprocal of cos, cot is the reciprocal of tan. Therefore, we can write the reciprocals of them. Then, so with respect to that, therefore, I told you that clearly. Hereafter, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Cosec theta. Because the sin is the reciprocal of cosec. Similarly, you can say that the cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Then, we have to go for that cos theta. Cos theta is the reciprocal of sec theta. So therefore, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Similarly, sec theta is the reciprocal of the cos theta. Therefore, 1 by cos theta. Right? Then we have to go with the tan theta. Tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta. Therefore, tan theta is always equal to 1 by cot theta. Similarly, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. The two things are over now. With respect to the side, how to express the sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. And then I told you that these are the reciprocals of these. Therefore, we can write like this also. Wherever it is necessary while solving, Sin theta can be written as 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta can be changed as 1 by sin theta. Cos theta can be changed as 1 by sec theta. Sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Similarly, tan theta is 1 by cot theta, and cot theta is what? 1 by tan theta. You got this? Clear? Along with this, yesterday I gave that two more things. Right? That is what very important it is. That's why I am saying that it is important note. I'll explain later, but I'll give that first. That is tan theta. We can write it as sin theta by cos theta. Right? Then cot theta can be written as, when the tan theta, cot theta is the reciprocal of the tan theta. Whatever the tan theta says, to that the reciprocal is what? Cot theta. Tan theta, I wrote that sin theta by cos theta. Therefore, cot theta will become cos theta by sin theta, because cot theta is the reciprocal of the tan theta. Very important this is. In many areas we are going to apply that. Therefore, please take care of this. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Right? Today I am going to explain this, then we can continue. Any doubts here? Once again, please see. Go with the first one. If you have any doubt on the previous class, nothing to worry. A video is uploaded in the YouTube. That link is there in your laptop. After this class, you can watch that video also to understand this. Yes. Come for the second one now. Observe this one. That means sin, cos, tan. For these are the reciprocals. Therefore, sin, cos, tan can be done in this form also, wherever it is necessary. Similarly, cosec, sec, and cot can be written in this form also. Okay? Yes. Then we can go for that now. We have to see that in detail. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. As usual, I can say that cos theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. While solving the trigonometric problems, wherever it is necessary, there you can write the tan as 1 by cot or tan as sin theta by cos theta also. You can write cot theta as 1 by tan, and it can be done as cos theta by sin theta also. There are two things you got now up to here. So many more things you will get. So go with the first one. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. How? Right? So I'll take the tan theta first. Tan theta is tan theta. What is sin theta by cos theta that we have to see? Is it equal to tan theta or not? I am identifying. I am finding that. Yes, I am going to prove that sin theta by cos theta exactly equal to tan theta. The values of both are one and the same. Whatever the value you will get for the sin theta by cos theta, the same value you are going to get for tan theta also. How it is? So here see. As you know that here division is there, I'll write the division. Sin theta is there in the numerator, and you know that sin theta is opposite by opposite side of theta divided hypotenuse. What is side I wrote? With respect to the sides of the right angle triangle, with respect to the marked acute angle theta. In the right angle triangle, with respect to the marked acute angle theta, sin theta always opposite by hypotenuse. I already explained. That's why in the numerator I wrote that. Cos theta. Cos theta is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Am I right? Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Right. That's equal to. So I can cancel the denominator directly, or you can write like this. It will become opposite by hypotenuse, and it will become what? Multiplication. When we change the division as multiplication, then we have to write the reciprocal of the denominator. Therefore, it is what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Now, hypotenuse cancel. That's equal to the remaining is what? Opposite side of theta divided by adjacent side of theta. See the previous? What is opposite by adjacent? What is Y? I gave the clearly. It is what? TOA. Can remember. Tan is always what? Opposite by adjacent. What you got here? Opposite by adjacent. Whether opposite by adjacent is tan or not? Yes. That's why sin theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Then cos theta is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Take this numerator, change the division as multiplication. Then you have to write the denominator part, the reciprocal. Then hypotenuse cancel. The remaining is what? Opposite by adjacent. Right? So therefore, opposite by adjacent is always what? Tan. Right? You know that. Oh, aha, oi. It is for sin, it is for cos, and it is for tan. So tan, for tan, there is what? OA, O by A, opposite. So therefore, tan theta is not only 1 by cos theta, tan theta is also sin theta by cos theta. You know that one more way of the reciprocal form. That's what tan theta can be done as wherever it is necessary there 1 by cos theta, and also wherever it is required there you can write it as sin theta by cos theta also. Therefore, I can say that with respect to whatever explained up to here, I can say that tan theta can be written in two forms. One is tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Then tan theta can be written as 1 by cos theta also. Similarly, cos theta, the same way, right? The same way you have to follow. That is to get the cos theta. So we know that cot is the reciprocal of tan. Whatever the tan will get, the cot will get the reciprocal of that. If you say that tan is 3 by 5, then cot is 5 by 3. If tan theta is 1 by 2, then no doubt cot theta is 2 by 1, means 2. Right? If tan theta is x by y, no doubt cot theta is what? Y by. You got it? Is it clear? So once again, I will show that also. Nothing to worry. Cot theta. Right? So what is that cot theta? Is it right or not? So therefore, I'll go with that cos theta by sin theta now. Right? That's equal to cos. Cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Right? Sin is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Now, in the denominator, whatever we have, that cancel. Or you can write in this form and you can cancel. What is remaining now? Remaining is what? Adjacent by opposite. You got this? What is adjacent by opposite? Opposite by adjacent is tan. Adjacent by opposite is what? Cot. Therefore, it is nothing but what? Cos theta. Therefore, I told you that cot theta is cos theta by sin theta also. It is not only 1 by tan theta. Cos theta is the reciprocal of the tan theta, and also the cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Right? Let's please see this once again. I'll give you some time now. Once you have to recall this, please. how the sin theta by cos theta will become tan theta, how the cos sin theta will become cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta, then that is into and the reciprocal of tan. Hypotenuse is cancelled, you got that opposite by adjacent. Okay, opposite by adjacent is nothing but what? Tan. Similarly, the cot. I told you that sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Along with that, two more things we got. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. And cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Is it clear? Okay. I explained this clearly. Right, we solved this. Okay, let us take the next one. We have to go for the one more concept, that is what the T ratios. You know that what are T ratios? T ratios are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cos theta. I am going to take them again, the T ratios, but for some specified angle. T ratios of specified angle, not for all. Okay. Yes, we have to go for the P ratios of specified angle. Which are the specified angles here? So here 0 degree. These are the values of theta now. Theta. It may be 0 degree, or 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, then 90 degree. These 5 are called specified angles here. Okay. So we have to learn the values of these with respect to the trigonometric ratio. For all of them, there are derivations, but I am not going to take that. First, you learn them, then we can discuss about that. I am discussing the ratios of specified angle, right? With respect to the Mars bracket angle, there is nothing but here. So we have to go for some angles. If theta is equal to 0 degree, what will happen? If theta is equal to 30 degree, theta is equal to 45, theta is equal to 60, theta is equal to 90, then we have to find the trigonometric ratios of them. Right? It is very simple. I am going to use a technique now to understand this. You have to learn all the values today. Okay, later we can see the derivations of that. That means how can we represent geometrically? How can we find them geometrically that we can. Okay, so now see here, I'm going to write the value of theta now. Here, I'm going to make a table, right? Here, I'm going to write the T ratios, right? So one is for 0 degree, next for 30 degree, next it is for 45 degree, next for 60 degree, and 90 degree. These five are called the specified angles here. With respect to them, we have to find the T ratio. These are the values of theta. So here I'll write the T ratio, sine. You should not take only sine, there is no value for that. So sine theta together you say, but in the place of theta we have to go for this. Sine 0 degree is how much? If sine 30, it is like this. Sine 0 degree, what is the value? What is sine 30? What is sine 45? Okay, what is sine 60? What is sine 90 like? Okay, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, the values of them with respect to the T ratio sine. Then, after writing this, you have to go for the cos. What is the value of cos 0 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree, cos 60 degree, cos 90 degree? Then we have to go for tan. Then we have to go for cosecant. With respect to cosec, we have to find the value. Then we have to go for sec. The last one we have to go with the cos. Yes, the table is ready. Just we have to fill the values now. It is the place to write the value of cos 30 degree. It is the place to write the value of cosec 45 degree. It is cos 0 degree. It is the place to write the value of cos 90 degree. Okay. Yes. One by one that we can see now. I'm not giving the geometrical derivations now. Before that, you should learn the value. For that, there is a technique. Right? That technique I am going to explain now. First of all, we have to see that sine. What is the value of sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree, and sine 90 degree? That is what? What is sine 0 degree? What is sine 30 degree? What is the value of sine 45 degree? Then what is the value of sine 60 degree? Then we have to see that the value of sine 90 degree. A small technique is there to find. Just to remember, that is, go with the numbers, the whole numbers. How many are here? 5, no? So therefore 0. From there you have to write 5. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. How many are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one is 0, second one is 1, third one is 2, fourth one is 4, and the last one, fifth one is what? Fourth one is 3, and last one is what? 4. Right? I am finding the sine value now. What is the sine 0 degree? Right? It is better you do one thing. Divide all these. It is just a technique, that's all. It is not the geometrical derivation. Because first of all, we have to learn this table. You have to keep all the values in your mind. Then only it is possible to solve all the problems based on this easily. Right? You divide all these by 4 now. Divide by 4. It is for sine 30 degree. It is for sine, it is for sine 0 degree. It is for 30 degree. It is for 45 degree. It is for 60 degree. It is for 90 degree angle. You have to divide all these by 4. It will become 0 by 4. Next one is 1 by 4. Next one is 2 by 4. Next one is 3 by 4. Next one is 4 by 4. Got this? Then 0 by 4. We have to find the final value of this. What is 0 by 4? 0 by 4 is always 0. 0 divided by anything is what? 0. What is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 is 1 by 4. No change. 2 by 4. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. It will become 1 by 2. Next, you have to go for 3 by 4. As it is, we can't divide. 4 by 4. Cancel. We will get that one. To get the values of sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, just I am using a technique to remember these, right? It is the easiest way of learning the values. Okay, there are geometrical derivations for them that we can see that later, not now. Here 0 you got, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. It is for 0 degree, it is for 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree with respect to the sign only. I'm going with the sign. Divide all these by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Simplify them. 0 by 4 is 0, 1 by 4 is 1 by 4, 2 by 4 is what? 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. 4 by 4 is what? 1. Then the last thing that we have to see that find the square roots of them. Okay, square roots of them. What is the square root of 0? 0. Therefore, the value of sine 0 degree 0. It is not the derivation. It is just a technique to understand easily. It's just a technique to remember the table, the whole value. Because one should not have this. It is not possible also. Okay, it is too difficult. You have to understand the thing. Right? So therefore, sine 0 degree is what? 0. What is sine 30 degree? So we have to come for the second one. Take that one, divide by 4, then take the square root. What is the square root of 1? 1. Right? 1. What is the square root of 4? That is what? 2. What you got? 1 by 2. Therefore, hereafter, if anybody asks what is sine 30 degree, you have to say that 1 by 2. Off. Sine 30 degree is always off. Sine 0 degree is 0. The value of sine 30 degree is what? Off. Right. Come for the third one. 2 by 4. It is for sine 45 degree. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 1 by 2 we got. Take the square root of that. What is the square root of 1? 1. What is the square root of 2? That is root 2 itself. It is not a perfect square number. Therefore, the sine 45 degree is always what? 1 by root 2. Got this? Then we have to go for this. Fourth one, 3. It is what? 3 by 4. Right? Go for the square root of 3 by 4. See that what is the square root of 3? Square root of 3. It is not a perfect square. Therefore, root 3 itself. But the square root of 4 is what? 2. Therefore, we can say that sine 60 degree is what? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Then you have to go for sine 90 degree. Sine 90. Here 4 by 4. 4 divided by 4. 4 by 4. Cancel, we will get 1. Take the square root of. What is square root of 1? 1. That's why the value of sine 90 is 1. Very easy. Okay. So we got what is the value of sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree, and sine 90 degree. The value of sine 0 is what? 0. Sine 30 degree is what? Half. Sine 45 degree is what? 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is what? Root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree is what? 1. You got all the 5 values, isn't it? What I did for this? For 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree with respect to the sign, you have to divide all by 4 and take the square root of them. Whatever you get, they are nothing but the values of sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, and sine 90 respectively. It is just a technique. It is not the derivation. Got this? Read out. Just see that one. Try to keep these values in your mind directly. If anybody asks sine 45, directly you have to say that 1 by root 2. Sine 90 is what? 1. Sine 0 is what? 0. Sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. But sine 30 there is what? 1 by 2. Got this? Okay. Sine is over. I'm going with the cos now. What is cos 0 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree, cos 60 degree, and cos 90 degree? These values we need. Right. How to write that? Just cos. What is cos? This concept will come later, but then also I'll explain now only to understand this thing. Right? While writing the cos, it is very simple. I'm not going to calculate anything. Whatever the values I got from left to right, I fill them right to left. That's all. So whatever I got for sine 90, I'll write that for cos 0. Whatever I got that for sine 60, I'm going to write that for root 3 by 2. That is for sine cos 30. For cos 45, from that side, again the same 1 by root 2. Then for cos 60, there is nothing but what? Sine 30. And whatever I wrote for sine 0, I write that for the cos 90. Just I wrote in the reverse order, that's all. Right? So 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1 we got for sine 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Just I wrote in the reverse order for the cos. Therefore, the cos 0 degree will become 1, cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2, cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2, cos 60 is what? 1 by 2, and cos 90 is what? 0. Very simple. Is it not? Just to get the values of sine, I calculated using a technique. Again, using one more technique. Just I wrote that part. Just I wrote the reverse order. That's all. Okay. So I'll explain the same in the other way after doing the next concept. So after this, one more concept is there. Then you will get in the different way. How to get the cos? Why we have to write the values reverse here? For that you will get the reason in the next class. Because the concept is not yet over. Right, then we have to go for the tan. How to write the tan? Here see, I clearly told you that what is tan with respect to the sine and the cos. What is tan with respect to sine and cos? Tan can be expressed in two ways. Tan is what? 1 by cot. But I don't know what is cot here. Tan is equal to sine by cos. I clearly told you that tan is equal to what? Sine theta by cos theta. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. In the beginning of the class I explained. Got it? Now, what is tan 0 degree? Tan 0 degree is equal to, that is sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree. You got theta here, therefore theta theta. If you get 0 here, 0 0. Similarly, what is tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to what? Sine 30 degree by cos 30 degree. Right? What will happen here? Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Therefore, tan 0 degree is what? Sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree. That's equal to. We know that sine 0 degree is 0. Cos 0 degree is 1. 0 by 1 is 0 by anything is always 0. That's why I write 0 here. What is the value of tan 0 degree? 0. What is the clue we used? Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Therefore, tan 0 degree will become sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree. That is equal to sine 0 degree. Already we know the value is 0. Cos 0 degree is what? 1. Therefore, 0 by 1. That is equal to what? 3. Then we have to go for tan 30. What is the value of sine 30? You see, 1 by 2. What is the value of that cos 30? You see, root 3 by 2. Denominator cancelled in the both. What is the remaining? 1 by root 3. That's because 1 by 2, when we change it as the multiplication, automatically we have to write the reciprocal of the denominator. 2 get cancelled. So in the numerator we have 1 and the denominator is what? Root 3. Therefore 1 by root 3 is the value. Therefore very simple it is. Nodi 1 by root 3. Just close this 2 to get cancelled. What is the remaining? Here 1 and here root 3. When you close this, observe that what we have here 1. What we have here root 3. So therefore 1 by root 3. Right? Just 2 get cancelled. Therefore 1 by root 3. 2 get cancelled. Therefore 1 by root 3. You got this? Okay. Similarly here see, it is very simple. Here the denominator tan 45 degree is equal to sin 45 degree divided by cos 45 degree. What will happen? 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 both get cancelled. What will get? 1. R. Remove the denominator. Root 2 cancel. 1 by 1 is what? 1. It is tan 45. Similarly, tan 60 is equal to sin 60 divided by cos 60. Am I right? Tan 60 is equal to sin 60 by cos 60. What will happen when we go for this 2 get cancelled? For the remaining root 3 by 1. So that is tan 60 is equal to sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Divided by cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. What is the remaining? Root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1. Anything by 1. No need of writing. That's what root 3. Then we have to go for sin. That's what tan 90. What is tan 90? We have to go with tan 90 now. Tan 90. Yes. Tan 90 is equal to what? Sin 90 by cos 90, because tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. That's why I'm going with tan 90. Tan 90 is equal to sin 90 degree divided by cos 90 degree. What is sin 90 degree? You see 1. What is cos 90 degree? 0. Therefore, that is what? 1 by 0. 1 by 0. Right? 1 by 0. What do you have in the denominator? 0. Right? So therefore, up to here, till today, it is not defined. We don't know that how to divide 1 by 0. We don't know that how to divide any number by 0. Therefore, it is always what we say that not at defined. Not defined. You have to say that not defined. Right? So therefore, here we have to write that ND. ND means not defined. What is the value of tan 90? You have to say that not yet defined. So when the mathematician will find that what we will get 1 by 0, then we can say that. That is not yet defined. 1 by 0. It is not possible also. Right? So therefore, we have to say that not defined. You got this? Tan 90. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan 90 is equal to what? Sin 90 by cos 90. Sin 90 is what? 1, and cos 90 we got that 0, 1 by 0. Dividing any number by 0 is not yet defined. That's why we have to say that. What is the value of that? I don't know. That is not yet defined. But you should not say that I don't know. You have to say that that's not yet defined. You have not defined, therefore I am not giving that. So therefore I have to say that's not defined. Okay, then 3 basic ratios are over. I told you that to find the sin 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, I gave you a technique that go for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No 5. Only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide all by 4 and take the square root of them. Whatever the value you will get respectively in an order, you have to write them. Therefore, hereafter the sin 60 degree is what? Root 3 by 2. Sin 30 degree is what? 1 by 2. Sin 90 degree is what? 1. Sin 0 degree is what? 0. Sin 45 degree is what? 1 by root 2 and so on. What is cos 90? If anybody asks, you have to say that 0. What is cos 0? You have to say that 1. What is cos 45? Your answer should be what? 1 by root 2. What is cos 30? You have to say that root 3 by 2. What is cos 60? You have to say that 1 by 2. Tan. So what is tan 0 degree? 0. What is tan 30? Tan 30. I told you that clearly. Right? 1 by root 3. Am I right? Then tan 45 is what? 1. Tan 60 is what? Root 3. But tan 90 is what? Not defined. You got this? Then we have to go for the cosec. You already know that the cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Here, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. You learned. Got this? Cosec theta is equal to what? 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to what? 1 by sin theta. So therefore, what is cosec 0 degree? Cosec 0 degree is what? 1 by sin 0 degree. What is cosec 0 degree? 1 by sin 0 degree. That means the cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Here we have to write the reciprocal of. What do you have here? 0. Sin 0 degree is what? 0. What is the reciprocal of 0? What is the reciprocal of 0? What is the reciprocal of 0? What is the reciprocal of 5? Reciprocal of 5 is what? 1 by 5. Do you agree? What is the reciprocal of 0? The reciprocal of 0 is what? 1 by 0. What is the reciprocal of x? 1 by x. Right? Reciprocal of 0 is what? 1 by 0. So 1 by 0. Again I told you that if there is 0 in the denominator, it is nothing but what? Not defined. Got this? Therefore, the reciprocal of 0, hereafter anybody asks what is the reciprocal of 0, your answer should be not defined. Therefore, cosecant 0 degree is the reciprocal of the sin 0 degree. Because cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So that's why cosecant 0 degree is 1 by sin 0 degree. That means we have to write the reciprocal of this. What is the reciprocal of 5? 1 by 5. Reciprocal of x? 1 by x. Reciprocal of 20? 1 by 20. Reciprocal of 3? 1 by 3. But reciprocal of 0 is what? Not defined. Okay then. So then what is cosec 30 degree? Reciprocal of sin 30 degree. What is sin 30 degrees? 1 by 2. What is the reciprocal? 2. What is cosec 45 degree? Cosec 45 degree is the reciprocal of sin 45 degree. Cosec 45 degree is the reciprocal of sin 45 degree. Therefore, that is what? Root 2. 1 by root 2 will become root 2. Similarly, cosec 60 degree, reciprocal of sin 60 degree. 2 by root 3. Yes. Cosecant 90 degree is the reciprocal of sin 90 degree. For the reciprocal of 1. Reciprocal of 1. 1 itself. So therefore, that is 1. We got this cosec value. Simple. Very simple. You got this? So I got sin by using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 technique. I divided all by 4 and I took the square root. From that I got sin 0 degree, sin 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90. It is not the value of 90 degree. It is the value of sin 90 degree. It is the value of cos 90. It is the value of tan 90. It is the value of cosec 90. Got it? Then we have to go for the sec. There are two techniques to write the sec. One is what? Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Therefore, what is sec 0 degree? Reciprocal of cos 0 degree. Reciprocal of 1 is what? 1. What is sec 30 degree? Reciprocal of cos 30 degree. Root 3 by 2 will become 2 by root 3. What is sec 45 degree? Sec 45 degree is the reciprocal of cos 45 degree. That's what 1 by root 2 will become root 2. right? Secant 60 degree is how much? Secant 60 degree is nothing but what? Reciprocal of cos 60 degree. Because secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Secant 60 is reciprocal of cos 60. Therefore, that's what 2. Then, what is sec 90? Sec 90 is the reciprocal of cos 90. What is cos 90 you have? 0. What is the reciprocal of 0? Not defined. I cleared here. Sorry. Reciprocal of 0 is what? Not defined. Right? Then you do one thing. Just observe these two. How I wrote the cos and the sine. I wrote the sine. In the reverse order I gave for the cos. The same thing is there in case of cosec and sec. Why? Why? Because cosec and sec are the reciprocals of sine and cos. Whatever the cos will do for the sine, the same thing we got for from the sec to the cosec. What is not defined? Not defined. 2, 2, root 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, 1, 1. Or secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. 1, 1, root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3, 1 by root 2, root 2, 1 by 2, 2, 0, not defined. Got this? Okay. Right? Then we have to go for the cot. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. You know that cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, 1 by tan theta. That's why cot tan is 0. Therefore, it will become not defined. Reciprocal of 0 is what? Not defined. What is cot 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of that is cot 30, root 3. Then cot, that's cot 45. Reciprocal of tan 45. What is tan 45? 1. What is tan 45? 1. Therefore, cot 45 is what? Again 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. What is tan 60? You see, root 3. Root 3. Cot 60. Reciprocal of that. 1 by root 3. Then, you have to go for the cot 90. Cot 90. 90 degree. Cot 90 is the reciprocal of tan 90. In tan 90, what do you have? ND, not defined. But the reciprocal of not defined is 0. Because he told that the reciprocal of 0 is not defined, then no doubt the reciprocal of not defined is what? 0. Because the reciprocal of 5 is what? 1 by 5. Similarly, the reciprocal of 1 by 5 is what? 5. Similarly, the reciprocal of 0 is what? Not defined. Then the reciprocal of not defined is what? 0. Got it? Using a technique, we computed all these values. How many values are there? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 5 are 30 values we left. Easiest way out. Okay? Right? Please don't bahad. You have to use this technique and write it in the table today at home. Right? Use the technique and write. Use the technique and write. You have to practice. Then if anybody asks what is tan 30 degree, suddenly your answer should be what? 1 by root 3. Right? What is cot 60 degree? 1 by root 3. What is sin 45 degree? 1 by root 2. Right? What is cosec 0 degree? Not defined. What is sec 90 degree? Not defined. Like that. You have to give the value. Right? It's possible. Nothing to worry about. It is not difficult. It's so easy. Okay? But using the technique, I completed the table here. These values are called key ratios of specified angle. What is sin 0 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree, and this. Right? You got this? Clear? Yes, again, once again we can fill. Directly I'll fill. Just you have to observe that how I fill. Once again, you see. First of all, we have to go for sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree. I'll take that 0, divide by 4, take the square root. 0 by 4 is what? 0. Square root of 0 is what? 0. Therefore 0. Got this? Okay. When sine 0 degree is 0, cos 90 is what? 0. Finish. When sine 0 degree is 0, then cosec is the reciprocal of that. It is what? Not defined. It's the way of learning. So while filling, you should not go for in one way always. You have to write in this type of, you have to try in different ways, like this. Okay, then here see, I have the cos 0. Sorry, it is what? Cos 90. For cos 90, the reciprocal is what? Sec 90. Therefore, it is not defined. Because I got cos 90, therefore I wrote. By finding sine 0 degree, I can write that what is sine 0, what is cos 90, what is cosec 0, and what is sec 90. Right? Then I'll go for sine 30 degree. 30 degree. After 0, we have to go for 1. 1 by 4. Square root of that. So square root of 1 is 1. It is for 2. So therefore 1 by 2. But sine 30, 1 by 2. Therefore it is in the reverse order. 1 by 2. Got this? It is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. The reciprocal of that cosec is what? 2. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. The reciprocal of that. Got this? Then we have to go for sine 45. We have to go for root 2 by 4. That is what? 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Square root of 1 1. Square root of 2 is what? Root 2 is that. Therefore 1 by root 2. When it is 1 by root 2, it is root 2. Because cosec 45 is the reciprocal of sine 45. Right? Okay. When it is 1 by root 2, cos is also 1 by root 2. When it is like this, it is also root 2. Because sec 45 is the reciprocal of cos 45. Got this? Then sine 60, next number is what? 3 by 4. For 3, there is no square root. For 4 is what? 2. Therefore, I can say that it is what? Root 3 by 2. When it is root 3 by 2, cos reverse order root 3 by 2. When it is root 3 by 2, then cosec is the reciprocal of that 2 by root 3. When it is root 3 by 2, it is the reciprocal of the 2 by root. Finish. Got it? Clear? Then we have to go for the cos 0, sine 0, 90 degree. Sine 90, the last number 4, 4 by 4. Take the square root. That is what? Square root of 1. 4, 4 cancel. That's why. That is what? 1. This one is 1. When you say it is 1 in the reverse order, you got this? Then we have to go for that. So here, that is cosec 90, reciprocal of 1, 1. Then cos 0, sec 0 is the reciprocal of that, right? 1. So it's easily be completed. Then we have to go for tan. Tan is what? Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, I told. Therefore, that will become 0 by 1, 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. Here 2 cancelled, 1 by root 3. Here root 2 cancelled, 1. Here 2 cancelled, root 3 by 1, root 3. 1 by 0, 1 by 0, 1 by 0, denominator 0, not defined. Got this? Similarly, for the cos, you write in the reverse order of tan. R, 0, reciprocal, not defined. 1 by root 3. Because cos theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. 1, 1, root 3, 1 by root 3. Not defined, reciprocal is 0. Again, completed. The different technique that I used. Right? Is it okay? Read out. Is nothing but the T ratios of specified angles. Here the specified angles are nothing but 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. If you need the values of the other angle, then we have to go for the tables are there, ready tables are there. For them we have to go. But this year that we don't want, right? So this year only we have the 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. For these only the values are enough. If you learn this much, it is more than enough. Okay. For all this, for this sign, we have the geometrical derivation. Then whatever the technique I use, the same technique you have to use to write all this. Okay. For sign only, we will get the geometrical derivation. Okay. That we can see later. Any doubt here? Is it clear? Any difficulty? Trigonometry, very easy. You should not feel like that. It is easy, that's why I can teach. If it is difficult, I can't teach. Right? Easy. Try to understand. Don't buy. Right?